Understanding panic buying, a guide to the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase panic buying. This term has become quite popular in recent times, and it's important to understand what it means and how it's used in everyday conversation. So, let's dive in. Panic buying refers to the act of buying large quantities of goods in a state of panic, often driven by a fear of shortage or emergency. This behavior is typically seen during uncertain times, such as natural disasters, pandemics, or economic crises. People engage in panic buying because they worry that products will become unavailable or unaffordable in the future. To better understand panic buying, let's look at some examples. During the pandemic, many people were panic buying toilet paper, fearing a shortage. News of the hurricane led to panic buying of bottled water and non-perishable food. In these scenarios, the key element is a sense of urgency and fear that drives people to buy more than they normally would. Panic buying can have several consequences. Shortages. It can lead to actual shortages, as stores run out of stock faster than usual. Price increases. Prices may rise due to increased demand and limited supply. Stress on supply chains. It puts a strain on supply chains, making it difficult for stores to replenish stock quickly. Understanding these impacts helps us see why panic buying can be problematic for communities. When using panic buying in a sentence, it often describes the action or situation. For example, the supermarket was crowded with people panic buying essentials. I don't want to contribute to panic buying, so I'll only buy what I need. Notice how the phrase is used to convey a specific type of buying behavior, often linked to a larger context of fear or uncertainty. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase panic buying and how it's used in English. Remember, language is a window into culture and society, and phrases like this can tell us a lot about human behavior in times of crisis. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.